Ooh, are these glitter bombs? Flakies? Hollows? I don't know. Hi guys, it's Crystal, and today we are swatching the I'd Have Ugly Nails Without Nikki duo from Glam Polish. This actually released in December, but I got sick and I broke my nails and I had a lot of problems, so I've only just now got around to editing the footage of these to post. To start this duo off, we have I Glitterly Don't Give a Shit. That's bleeped out on the label and the bottle, but we know what they meant. This is a glitter bomb with holographic glitter, ultra holographic glitter, and this rainbow of little glitter blips in it that is super cute and bright. As I swatch these, you're going to see that they are on my longer nails. This is the absolutely last thing I got to film before I had some pretty catastrophic nail breaks. I broke my pinky down to the quick. I had to patch it. It was all messed up. Like, there's some photos on Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, you can check it out there. I'm going to have some nail art and swatches coming up on my shorter nails because they've grown out enough that I'm okay with them for now. But I'm waiting for a lot of my official press stuff until they've grown out further. This applies really smoothly. I expected it to have a lot of texture because those larger glitter bits were kind of making me eh. But it doesn't have an insane amount of texture. As you apply it, they actually smooth down really well. And I got away with just one thick layer of top coat for this. I did only do 3 coats of both polishes. With a polish like this, I usually like to use a silver holographic as a base and then do 1 or 2 coats of the polish. But when I swatch, I do 3 because some people don't like to do that. So I like to show them what it's going to look like on its own. As you can see here, those glitter bits are really pretty and they pop and make a little rainbow within the polish that is gorgeous. Next we have Shine On You Crazy Diamond. This is super cute. This once again has holographic and ultra holographic glitter. But this one also has like multi-chrome flakies and then a mix of multi-chrome glitters in it. It's a little different, but still very sparkly, very bright, very pretty. The flakies in this were giving me a moment of pause because I was like, I don't know if those are going to apply right. I don't know if I'm going to like them. But they actually applied really, really well. They go on smooth. I didn't have any sticking up. I didn't have to smush any down. Nothing crazy. But I do kind of like them. I like the bigger flaky that kind of stuck to this nail. It was really, really, really fun. Right there. Right in the middle on the side. I love it. Here you can see the second coat kind of coated it better. This third coat, more of the flakies go down and you do get more coverage, but I still could see my nail tip. This is another one that I probably would have thrown down like a very bright silver linear holographic under because that's just my tendency with glitter bombs. I never want to sponge them on because I always, when I sponge, make it way too thick and clumpy and weird. My sponging causes texture where brushing it on doesn't. I don't get it at all. It's just very strange. All my weirdness aside, these are available now. I made sure to check that before making this video. And Glam Polish is having a sale with $3 off select shades. So if you're a fan of the brand like I am, definitely check out the sale and snag some awesome stuff. As usual though, I hope you guys liked this video. Leave me a comment below letting me know what you want to see nail and makeup wise in the new year, and maybe you'll see it. As always, if you like this, give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fun stuff and tutorials and everything. And I will see you guys next time.